Hey there, Tenure Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got a rolling out of the shop today. Wanted y'all to check it out. We're about to load up in a trailer. Now, this is going on my man Josh with Russel Barbeque, and he ordered this up about 16-20 weeks ago. So, guys, we got a shorter lead time on these direct heat cookers. This is our larger version. We also have a dumpster that's a little bit smaller, but these things are awesome, super easy to use. All 3/16 plate steel. The bottom's actually 1/4 inch and it's insulated. So you got 1 inch of insulation on the bottom. It's at all 3/16 plate steel, even the lid here. You've got a upper cooking grate here, and then you've got 2 lower grates down here that slide out. So guys, you can cook. These are great for whole hogs, chicken, ribs. Cooks ribs in about 3.5 hours, which is awesome. So you don't have time to smoke them for 6 hours. They throw them on here, about 3.5 hours, they're ready to go. You can put charcoal on these and grill up here, or just use them as a little bit lower cooking area for the bottom there. Runs great on charcoal. You can put full splits in there, wood chunks in there. Holds temperature really well. You got 2 stacks here with dampers you can adjust, open, close them. And then he also added a burn down box offside here. As you can see, we've got his logo cut in the side of that, but this way you can throw your full splits in here, burn them down to coal, shove it in your roll off. That's really the ideal way to run this thing. Works great. So guys, that's this roll off. She's heading out. So guys, if you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.